Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix whenever you press this power button it's not appearing any power off on screen. It's directly launch the Google Assistant. So in this video I am going to share with you how you can fix that. Maybe somehow or some cases you might be recently bought this Realme C53 and you might be noticed that whenever you pressing this power button it's not opening any power screen. It's directly take you to Google or Google Assistant, which is kind of annoying, and you might be looking for how to fix this. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Realme C53 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll all the way down and then you need to click here system. After that, you need to click here gesture and then you will find here press and hold power button. By default, it is the assistant, Google Assistant. If you want to turn off, you can simply turn this off. Now if I go back and then if I press this power button, long press, we will see now in this time it's going to be appear the power off or restart or emergency button. So in this simple way you can easily fix if your phone power button is not working, it's opening Google Assistant. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.